Welcome back. I'm tracking the storm for you this morning, but before we get to that, a look at those current temperatures outside. We're right around the low 50s in Paso and upper 50s in San Luis Obispo, already close to those 60s there in Santa Maria and Santa Barbara, and some breezy conditions. Some areas like our inland valleys up to about 13 miles per hour. Other places like our coastal valleys for Santa Maria, San Luis Obispo, close to about 16 to 17 mile per hour winds already at this hour. And here's a look at the satellite radar showing that we do have that rain activity off the south coast region, but also in the mountains and foothills. And we still have this flash flood watch in effect until noon today. And this is for the mountains and foothills in Santa Barbara County and then also stretching down into Ventura County. But the main concern is that we're getting significant rainfall rates over the cave fire burn areas. In some cases, we could see the rain rates from about a ½ inch up to 1 inch per hour. The main concern with this is that it could create some debris flow, some mud flow as well for that area. And here's a look at the microclimate model showing that we are going to see that intense rainfall actually throughout much of the morning, not just over this region near the south coast, but also in northern San Luis Obispo County. But you can see here right around 2 o'clock is when this system will start to taper off. Then we're left with scattered showers into early tomorrow morning, but your Thursday actually looks to be pretty dry by the afternoon, and we'll have mostly cloudy skies by then. But for this system, we're still anticipating that some areas could receive anywhere from a ½ inch up to 1.5 inches of rain, and that actually goes for places in our south coast region, because you can see here looking at this range at the top of the screen, it says just that. And for your wind advisory that's in place here, this is for Santa Barbara County, and it's not just for the coastal valleys. For the coast, it goes right into the mountains and foothills. That area could see about gusts up to about 45 miles per hour. We're closer to about 30 to 40 miles per hour gusts for other places in the coastal valley region. We still have this wind advisory in place for our inland valleys in San Luis Obispo County as well. Wind gusts up to about 45 miles per hour through noon. And for your wind forecast, this just kind of details what I was just talking about here. Some of these wind speeds getting close to 30 miles per hour through the late morning, early afternoon. We will start to taper off a little bit more. Those winds will be closer to about 15 to 25 miles per hour. And for those daytime highs, we're cooling down by a few degrees for certain areas like Paso, mid 50s there today, low 60s in San Luis Obispo, Santa Maria, Lompoc, and Santa Barbara. Similar conditions for your Santa Ynez Valley, and back towards the coast in Pismo Beach, 61 degrees in the forecast, low 60s for Los Osos, and upper 50s today along the north coast. Back to you.